told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in today's video, I am going to share with you some DIY home decor and organizer. This video will give you an idea about how you can use old items which are available at your home and you can prepare a beautiful home decor and make your home beautiful. All these ideas are very simple and very quick. So I hope so you will like this video. So without any delay, let's get started. This is my new mandir. If you want to watch tour of this mandir and how I did organization of my mandir, link of this video is given in description box. As you can see, my puja books are not properly organized. So I am going to prepare a beautiful box for my puja books. So I am taking this sweet box. I just cleaned it properly and now I am coloring it. I did first coat with orange color and second coat with red color. Now after drying it looks like this. Now it's time to decorate it. For this I am pasting this beautiful gota which I had removed from my old sari. And now it is done. You can also use as a wall decor. Just paste double-sided tape on back side and paste it on the wall. So for my kitchen entrance decor, I am using this tray which is not in use and I am going to color it. So I am going to do double coat on this and after that let it dry. My tray is dry now. For next step, I am using this spoon, lighter, fork and knife. All these items are old and not in work. I did golden color on it. Now with the help of Fevikwik, I am just pasting it. Now it is ready to display. I am hanging it on left side of my kitchen entrance. And this is the final look. I am taking my old chapati board. I am using molding clay or silkar clay to fill this gap. With this clay I am filling the gap of chapati board. I am making some design to decorate this tray. With this clay I am designing some leaves. In this way I prepared some big and some small leaves. Now I will let it dry for a few hours. Now I have taken a circle shape wallpaper and pasting it properly on my chapati board. Now all leaves are dry. I am coloring this with golden color. You can use any color as per your choice. I am using golden color on this wallpaper also to enhance its look.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Color is dry now and this leaves now looking very beautiful. It's time to decor this tray with these leaves.
Too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I'm using these two handles and I'm going to color it with golden color.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that
After completion of color, I will let it dry for few hours.
smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it
Now it's time to paste this handle. So for this, I am using Fevikwik.
as you fade away.
Now I am pasting all the leaves on handles. Let it dry for few minutes and now tray is ready. I am using this wine bottle. You can use any other bottle also. Now I am making some lines with the help of this glue gun. You can also make any design whatever you like. Lines are completed now. Let it dry for few minutes. It will easily dry. Now is to time color it. I am using golden color. You can choose any color whatever you like. I am coloring golden color on lower side of this bottle and white color on upper side of this bottle. And after coloring, it is look like this. So this is the final look of this planter. I hope you like my today's video. If you like my today's video, please like and share my video with others also. And do subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, bye and take care.